and it was the parish church, up beside the Liberal Club on the right-hand side when you're going to Biker Bank. And I walked in, and we were second on because we were the big name, you see, I think. And there was all these fellas with striped county caps and dark glasses and looking very cool. But they were playing very good music, stuff I hadn't heard before. I mean, it was really good blues music and modern jazz. And it was Eric Burdon with Johnny Steele with a college group, and they called themselves the Pagans. And I was very impressed. You know, I mean, we were all very nervous in those days. If you met anybody that played any different music, I mean, you were really frightened. There wasn't, I mean, jazz and rock and roll, and the American records weren't played on television and radio, and you didn't have a real insight as to, you know, how good music was. And anybody different, you were frightened of.
Did you get to talk to Eric Burdon?
Yes. He said, come and join me, he said, and we'll make a lot of money.
So you did, didn't you?
Oh, aye, but we never got it. Only half believe you, friends.
Well, tell us about the Animals, because that was the first time you really made it, wasn't it? The Animals.
I don't know whether you can say this the first time. I think really when I met Eric for the first time was when I made it, because I found somebody with a common soul, you know.
And it won't be long. You're gonna search for me, and down the road I'm gone, 'cause I believe. Oh, yes, I believe. I believe to my soul. You're trying to mess around with me, baby. You keep complaining my progression is slow. You shouldn't complain, baby. You ought to know, 'cause I've been. Trying to make a fool of me. Told me that you loved me, I found out it was a lie. You should be ashamed, baby. Hang your head and cry, 'cause I believe. Make a fool of me. I believe it. Lordy, Lord, it hurts me so bad for us to part. But someday, baby, I ain't gonna worry my life no more. You on my mind every place I go. How much I love you, baby, you never know. But someday, baby, I ain't gonna worry my life no more. So many mornings since you've been gone, I'm on my knees praying to you, baby. Please come back home. But someday, baby, I ain't gonna worry my life no more. I want you brown eyes, I want you till my day's end. But I want you as a lover, you're no good to me as my friend. Someday, baby,